Okay, here we're at CES 2020 at the Corsair suite at the, what hotel is it? That cafe.
This is the Cosmopolitan.
Cosmopolitan. Right. Okay, so Andrew, nice to meet you.
Yeah.
Show us what we've got here.
So this is our concept Orion. It's basically we took our Capellix LEDs and we put them on a thin film and layered it inside the glass of a glass panel. This is purely a concept and we expect it to be released sometime in 2020, but we wanted to show proof of concept kind of a thing. Yeah. So you can kind of do a bunch of different things with it. There's a bunch of different lighting profiles. There's a bunch of different hotkeys, so we can change it. It's all within IQ. Our software controls everything. So there's a bunch of different ones.
So the software is included, and you can actually design your own.
So you can create your own profiles however you want to do it. They're addressable by zones, so it'll be like a 3x3 grid is what you can customize right now. At release, it'll be. We're hoping to have it individually addressable and completely customizable.
So this is not just the side panel, but also in the front panel.
Yeah,
too.
so it's basically a thin film that we can layer on anything right now. And right now we're doing side panels and front panels. They're nearly invisible when they're not lit up, and it's honestly just you can do a bunch of cool stuff. You can also control the brightness of it. So if you want to show off your components in the background, you can dim them so that way it's a little less intrusive and you can see your components shining in the background.
Cool.
Yeah.
Check this out in front. Also the front panel has that. So it's a thin film with LEDs, addressable LEDs, with different colors of course.
So if you look along the side, you can see how bright they are, because this is actually tinted glass. So this is even as bright as they can get. If you look along the side, you can see how bright they get.
Cool. So this is just a concept, or is it?
This is concept Orion, so we hope to push this out sometime in 2020, but we don't have an exact date yet.
And it'll be available for all of your chassis ranges.
It'll probably only be on our higher end at first, and it'll be specially marked, and there will be a price increase as well.
Of course, of course. All right, so check this out. Something new for CES 2020. The Corsair. This is the Corsair concept Orion with the LED films right there. Totally controllable by the IQ software.
Absolutely.
Great. Thanks, Andrew, for your time.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
That's it.